Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Glitchmaster FaZe.
And I'm CPU.
And today, we are going to be doing a weapon demonstration.
It's if weapons had weird sound effects.
For example, like this machete.
Let's go to the next scene. For example, whatever the heck kind of gun is this?
SMG.
Oh, it's a two! Come in the frame.
Yeah.
YouTube, please don't demonetize me.
And also, for example, this Desert Eagle.
I fell. Revive! Minecraft pickaxe. A pick! A pick! A pick! A pick! Part 2. Stab! 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 Ugh.
And the best for last, the giant machete.
Push it! Oh! What a word! Sing! Boy, oh, I'm so. Oh! Seizure warning. 3, 2, 1. I blind you.
Oh my God.
Message from the Glitch Masters.
Listen, we are. It's very important to know.
We are professional idiots.
Yeah, professional idiots. And every single weapon used in this video
Is fake. YouTube, do not demonetize us, please. I need this.
It's very important. If you're offended by any of this,
Then stop watching. Bam.
Make sure to stay in school. Don't do drugs and also don't play with real weapons.
What's our outro again?
Oh, right, the outro. This is Glitchmaster FaZe, and we are officially signing off. It's about time that I truly reveal.